My pledge this year is to show real business leadership towards delivering a new deal for nature and people. In my role leading the Business for Nature Coalition, I will help unify the business voice to give policymakers the courage and the comfort to make really ambitious agreements on nature in 2020. That will mean working together, but also taking an integrated approach to nature, climate, and people. We all ultimately impact, but also depend on nature. These mountains aren't just beautiful, they regulate the climate, air quality, and water flows, and we need to include the real value of nature in all our decision making.